Hello lovers of Easy Fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you the ultimate hair prep and my straightening routine to achieve this silky salon quality results using my Steampod. So whether you're getting ready for a big day or you're just doing a casual look, this is your ultimate guide to the best results ever. So to get started, the key to a flawless finish in all is prep. I start by applying my leave-in conditioner to nourish and detangle my hair. This not only hydrates my strands but also makes my styling process very much easier. So after applying my leave-in conditioner, I'm going to go ahead with my heat protectant to shield my hair from heat damage, since I'll be using a very hot instrument. So after that, I also use my hair serum to give it that shine, and after doing that I just massage everything together, making sure I get each and every strand of my hair covered with this product so I can ensure a great and stylish finish. So just follow the steps as I mentioned and make sure you get everything. If preferably, do it by sections if you're not very precise on how to do this as a whole. So that is it. Then massage into your hair. This is also very important as it will get your product ready. You will get your products in your hair and make your hair ready for the process. So lastly, this is my hair serum which I'm going to apply for the shine and everything. Of course, we have to have a shiny finish. So when I do this prep, during the process I might apply heat protectant or serum depending on the outcome I'm receiving. So this is a general prep for the whole hair, and after I've sectioned my hair before steampodding, I might go in with a little bit of serum. So less is more, guys. It doesn't matter the quantity, it just matters how you apply it. So guys, now that we are done with that, we are going to get into the blow drying process. So guys, as we all know, blow drying is very essential as well to achieve a good result, be it when straightening your hair or when doing your coils. In all, this gets your products distributed in your hair evenly and just helps achieve a good finish. So guys, I divide my hair into sections most of the time, but since I was in a haste this time, I just did my whole hair at once. But I was very careful as I did it so I can get each strand of the hair. So guys, when you do this, it really smooths out your hair and helps when you're straightening your hair. So you're just preparing your hair for straightening. Make sure it's completely dry. Make sure the products are well into your hair. Make sure everything is intact before you begin your straightening process. So this is the purpose for our blow drying. Also, never skip this step. It's very important if you want a perfect finish. Always make sure you blow dry. So yeah guys, so I'm going to speed this up so I don't take a lot of your time, and I'm done. So here's what our hair is looking like after being blow dried. As you can see, it has a smooth texture, which is what we need to work with. So always make sure you blow dry to perfection before you begin styling, whether you're straightening or you're steampodding or you're coiling. Just always make sure to blow dry your hair properly. This will ensure a smooth finish. So now that we are done with that, we are going to get into our Steampod. So before I begin straightening, I'm just going to clean my Steampod to make sure it's in perfect working condition. Also, it was a while that I used this, so I'm just going to get rid of any dust particles. And also one tip, always make sure you store your Steampod in a very close area. So after that, I'm going to fill the Steampod reservoir with water. So you're going to take it apart just like I did, and you're going to open the compartment and you're going to put the water in it. So there's levels to how much water this compartment can take, which is clearly written on it. So just follow it. As you can see, sorry it's not so clear, but it's okay. And I'm going to fit it back into my steam pot, and I'm going to, so you're just going to basically glide it back into your steam pot like this, and that's it. So along the way, if you notice that your water is finished, because it's transparent so you can clearly see the water level, if you notice the water is finished, you can always go in for a refill. So this helps to prevent your hair from getting burnt or dried out. So yeah, so now we are going to turn it on and we are going to section our hair. So even though this my steam pot already has a comb in it, I still prefer to use this latte comb just to have a grip of the hair I'm working with. So when you pin your straightener, you're going to take it down. Make sure you just go down smoothly so that you prevent lines from showing on your wig. So I don't know if you get my point. So what I'm trying to say is, when you clip your straightener or your steam pot at the roots of your hair, just make sure you slide it down without wasting time or holding it. Don't hold it in one place, just slide it down so that you prevent lines from demarcating on your wig. So I'm going to do a more visual explanation of what I'm talking about at the top of the hair when I get to the front of the wig, so that you can see what I'm talking about. So here's what our wig is looking like, and this is after going 2 or 3 times on the same section of hair. So now we are going to go to the top of our hair. We are done with the bottom, and you can see this side which has been steam pot already. You can look at it, it's looking very smooth and silky, and this is a side which has not been steam pot yet. So I think the difference is pretty clear. So let's get into it. So like I mentioned earlier, when I pre-section my hair for coiling, sometimes I go in with my heat protectant, black people, just to be sure. And I'm also going to go in with my syrup so I can give it that shine if I'm not comfortable with the shine I'm getting from what I did before the hair prep. So yeah, so here is my serum, which I'm going to apply a pea size and massage the hair thoroughly. So yeah, so just make sure you massage your hair and get your serum into your hair for the best results. It gives it that shine, which I absolutely love. So guys, we are going to repeat the same process. You're going to section your hair, and I'm just going to clip this side and get it out of the way. So what I was trying to say earlier was this: if you put your steam pot and you're a bit slow, it's going to leave some lines which you will not like this, and you slide it down. If you want it to be smooth, you repeat again. You put your steam pot at the root of the hair, and if you slow down, as you can see clearly, you're going to see the lines. So I did this intentionally so that you understand what I was trying to say. When you put your straightener at the root of your hair, just make sure you go down so that you can prevent these lines that you can see here. I went in after to adjust it, but I guess you now get the point of what I was trying to say. When you put your straightener or your steam pot, just glide down. Not fast, but don't have breaks in the middle. The areas where you have the breaks are going to leave some demarcations which are not very good for your wig. So that's what I was trying to explain, and I hope you get the point now. So I'm going to speed this up so I don't waste a lot of your time, and I'm just going to say something about the steam you see coming out of my steam pot. So since we are using a steam pot, it's going to prevent steam, it's going to produce steam, which is this white vapor you see coming out. So I'm going to be telling you how to differentiate it from getting burnt. So not all the time will this white vapor be a steam. If your hair is actually getting burnt, you're going to notice that the vapor is going to be more pronounced and you're going to get a smell, and that's how to know if your hair is getting burnt or not. So guys, here's what our hair is looking like after being steam pot. So as you can see that shine. So make sure you follow all the steps I've given you in the video if you want to achieve this flawless look. So guys, one last tip for those who stay till the end. So when you steam pot your hair, your straight hair, which is not a bone straight, because we all know the difference between straight hair and bone straight, right? So your straight hair is going to have some strands of hair still lifting. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your holding spray, apply on your hand like I did, and just glide it down. That is going to prevent those hairs from lifting, those strands of hairs from lifting, just like I'm doing, and give it that smooth silky finish. So that is a tip for those who stay till the end. You're welcome. So guys, we have come to the end of my video. Thanks very much for watching. I hope this video helps you learn one or more things, and if you have any questions, make sure you let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to do my best to get a response to each and every question that I get. So guys, please like and subscribe. Make sure you check out my channel. I post amazing tutorials, beginner friendly and for upgrades as well. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.